This Khal Drogo. It said he has 100,000 men in his hold.
An army?
Not an army. A horde.
Even 1,000,000 Dothraki are no threat to the realm, as long as they remain on the other side of the narrow sea.
A Targaryen boy crosses with a Dothraki horde at his back. The scum will join him.
He will not cross.
Soon you will cross the narrow sea and take back your father's throne.
My brother will never take back the Seven Kingdoms.
Do you hear me?
He couldn't lead an army even if my husband gave him one.
He's a savage, of course. He's one of the finest killers alive. And you will be his queen.
Not a queen. A Khaleesi.
You don't like the idea of a woman leading a Casa?
He will like it far less when I have done with him.
Don't let them see you carrying a sword and biased Dothraki. It's forbidden to carry weapons in the sacred city.
Isn't it forbidden to sneak into their city and steal their Khaleesi?
Tell him I want what was bargained for, or I'm taking you back.
I am the wife of the great Khal, and I carry his son inside me.
Crown Folk King.
You will be my Khaleesi.
The Dothraki followed strength above all. You'll have a true Khaleesi when you prove yourself strong. And not before. Have patience, Khaleesi.
Let's go home. We have to go home.
We will go home, I promise you.
Welcome home, my queen.
I am Daenerys Stormborn of House Targaryen.
You never have.
And I swear to you that those who would harm you will die screaming.
Ieri vocês. Ieri padrino.
Minister Shafki as Volaj.
Blood of my blood.
Your reign is over.
My reign has just begun.